Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving your current character so nothing is lost. Back up a slot or export a file. Once done, open the character editor or config and go straight to appearance and core stats. You should check limits and requirements now. Level caps, stat costs, and locked cosmetics matter. Make small changes first to test behavior. This reduces risk and lets you understand immediate consequences before deeper adjustments. Now you alter core attributes and skills deliberately. Change one stat a bit and play a short session to feel the difference. Then edit the skills or perks tree, making sure prerequisites remain satisfied and that you reassign points correctly. For appearance and animation tweaks, apply and preview immediately. Make incremental saves labeled by change so you can revert. This method helps you pinpoint which edits improve play and which break balance, saving time. Finish by committing changes and running a full session test to ensure stability and balance. Play varied scenarios to catch edge cases. If something breaks, revert to the nearest backup and reproduce the error step by step so you know the trigger. Make notes of exact edits, file names, and game versions to avoid repeating mistakes. If persistent problems occur, restore the original save and reapply changes one at a time until you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.